Alright, so if oh yeah, looks like they're shutting off some of the siren. Oh, alright, so I think there's a tornado warning here in my town, and the sirens you're hearing, well, I hope the camera picks up the sirens. They're probably from actually the city that's nearby. It's not the one that's nearby. And apparently, yeah, they shut them off right now. Oh, looks like I'm hearing actually another one wind up somewhere. So yeah, this is all bye.